Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Jimai
I'm Kay.
and welcome to Davao channel. In this series, we are going to study all the writing procedure of katakana alphabet. Then I guess everyone is excited? Let's begin.
Yes.
Are you ready, Kay?
Yes, I'm ready.
Then let's start. First column, up. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. E. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. U. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. E. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. O. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, brush up. Third stroke, release. Second column, ka. First stroke, brush up. Second stroke, release. E. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Ku. First stroke, release. Second stroke, release. Ke. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Ko. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third column, sa. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. She. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Su. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Se. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. So. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Fourth column, ta. First stroke, release. Second stroke, release. Third stroke, stop. Chi. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Tu. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. Te. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. To. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Fifth column, na. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Ni. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Nu. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Ne. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Third stroke, stop. Fourth stroke, stop. No. First stroke, release. Sixth column, ha. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. He. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Fu. First stroke, release. He. First stroke, stop. Ho. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Fourth stroke, stop. Seventh column, ma. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Mi. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Mu. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Me. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. Mo. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Eighth column, ya. First stroke, release. Second stroke, stop. You. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Yo. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. Ninth column, la. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Li. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. Lu. First stroke, release. Second stroke, release. Le. First stroke, release. Lo. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, stop. 10th column, wa. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release. O. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, stop. Third stroke, release. 11th column, n. First stroke, stop. Second stroke, release.
Okay, we are done writing of all katakana alphabets.
Yes! So that would be all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something from this video. Again, this is Davao channel. I'm Chimay.
I'm Kay.
Thank you very much for watching.
どうもありがとうございます。
See you again! またねー